It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold, but it's snowing. Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Say JJ's cards and advice.
JJ's cold.
All right, so first things first, how we always start the week off. Thank everybody who subscribed to me so far, everybody who subscribed to me over the weekend, everybody who dropped your comments and everything, all the comments and stuff that you guys dropped. I appreciate that. Oh man, y'all keep the channel going and y'all keep the channel growing. So I appreciate that. So, first thing, and also too, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep giving out as much free game as possible. So it's free to subscribe, it's free to like the video, it's free to comment, and it's free to share the videos because these videos might help the next person out. And we're a family, so we're gonna keep growing together. And I'm gonna help you guys. You guys can help the next and the next and the next, and then everybody helps each other, and it all comes back. Everything we put out there gets a return. So everything is gonna get a return. So all right, let's get into it. Well, shout out to you, Reality 100. This is the question you answered about the auction process, dealer, like sending a card to the auction and stuff like that, and the process and paperwork. Well, the process is as simple and easy as it gets. It's simple and easy. You as a dealer, all you do is take the car to the auction, and then the auction runs the car through the auction. That's it. That's all you do. Then when you first sign them to the auction, you're gonna get a number. Like if y'all see the auction videos, you'll see my number, but it changes every week. But I have like I have a set number that I give, like if I run a car through the auction, so they'll know like it's a set number. That number changes every week, just off the bidder number. But you have one set number that they give you, and all you do is you take the car to the auction, or you call the auction, and they'll come pick the car up, and they'll run it through the auction. So that's the good thing about dealer auctions and stuff like that. When you're a dealer, they'll come pick the cars up. Most of the time, the dealer auction will pick the car up for you for free if you're running it through the auction, because they know, like, if you're running through the auction, they're gonna make some money. So they'll come pick the car up for you. All you have to do is just give them your dealer number. That's it. There's no paperwork or nothing involved when you're running a car through the dealer auction. All it is a title. All you need to do to run a vehicle through the auction is get the auction and title within 30 days. That's it. So you call the auction, you have them come pick the car up. You sell the car, like say you sell the car today, that's the 14th. You have 30 days from the day to get that auction the title, so they can get that title to the next dealer or the person, whoever buys the car. So that's it. And you just all you do is tell the auction what light you want to run it on. Do you want to run it on a green light? Do you want to run it on a yellow light, red light? And you tell them like what's your bid. What's the max offer that you want on the vehicle. So say you run a car through 2,000, but if they get like 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, they might put the car on the call, and they might call you and ask you if you might accept 1,100, 1,600. But you just tell them like what's your low on the car. If it gets over what your low is, they're automatically just going to sell the car. But it's really no paperwork or process into it. It's just all it is taking the car to the auction and providing the title. That's it. That's it. That's all that's to it. And the same thing when you selling the car. Buying the car. You just go to the auction, you buy the car, and then the person that you bought the car, they have 30 days to get to auction the title, so the auction can get you the title. And that's it. And then once you get the title, that's it. That's the easy process. And so it's really just the easy process. And another question people answer, like what are the fees that dealerships charge to customers? So here are fees that dealerships do charge to customers. So and down in the dream, let me go. But here, the fees that dealers usually charge to customers, it really they only charge customers. Most dealerships only charge them like two fees. It's really like a title fee, which is like $11, because $11 is the cost that it costs the dealer to get the title registered in their name. That's $11. And a lot of times dealers charge which is called a doc fee, a documentation fee. It's basically a fee for all the process and paperwork and stuff. A lot of these dealers Dock fees are through the roof, man. My dock fee is $50 because I mean $50 is reasonable. Some people are 100. I've seen places up to 700. I done seen places up to 800, and that's just those big major dealerships because they have a lot of overhead and stuff like that. So their dock fee is a lot higher. Mine is $50. I done seen small dealerships charge more than $50, and you know, I'm gonna tell you what goes into it. Like what I'm gonna see. This is the free game. So y'all getting this free game. So all I ask for you guys to do is something free for me. Just subscribe to the video. Subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Drop just a comment on there. All the comment only has to just be a thumbs up. It doesn't have to be a whole sentence or nothing like that. Just Noti. You can just put Noti Gang in the comment just because you're part of the notification gang. You can just drop that in the comments. And share the video because this video might help the next person and it might help the next dealer and stuff like that. This is all just trying to help you guys as much as possible. And that's the thing. To support people, a lot of times you don't have to spend money to support people. And I'm giving out free game, and I'm not asking you guys like to do anything extra or anything like that. I'm giving out free game so you can get this free game to the next person. So you can support people without spending any money. So that's the thing. Like people think like that when you're supporting somebody it takes money. It doesn't take any money. You can support somebody just by sharing. Like, hey, you see a friend post a picture, of their design that they're working on or a brand, just drop a like, drop a comment, share it to your channel. Or share it to your Facebook page or Instagram or something like that. It doesn't take. Share it to you. If you don't want to share it on your page, share it on your Instagram story, your Facebook story, something like that. Supporting somebody is free. So I'm giving out the free game, and I just hope that you guys can help me with the free support. But back to the topic. So dealer fees and dock fees and stuff like that. Sorry for getting off topic, but dealer fees and dock fees is just dock fees. Like I said, mine is $50, but these dealerships be charging an arm and a leg because hey, it's their business. You can charge how much you want to do, and charge how much you really want it. If you can get people to pay it, you can get people to pay it. But documentation fee, man, is really nothing because it doesn't like. The whole like documentation fee is basically just like print, like the cost to print the paper, the cost to mail the title out, to get the title notarized, because you're already getting $11. That's the cost to get the title switched over, and like to pay for tax stamps. So like here in Oklahoma, tax stamps is $3.50, and that's you need that on each title that you sell. You only need a notary on each title. Some notaries charge $5, some charge $10. A lot of times people have in-house notaries. Let's see. So it's a tax stamp, a notary, and then it's like $7, because when you mail out a title, you have to mail it out with a return receipt. So you have to certify it, and then you have to get a return receipt. So that's about $7. So what you got? $3, 7. So you get $10, $20, and then cost of paper, pens, envelopes, and stuff like that. The essential stuff. So that's why my doc fee is $50. It's just to pay for all that stuff that goes into getting the deal done. It's nothing like crazy, but other places I've seen charge way more. Especially when people are financing cars. That's when like those big companies know that 90% of their customers or 95% of their customers are going to come in their financing. When you're financing, you're not going to pay attention. Like I worked at a dealership where the doc fee was $6.95. But people are not paying no attention to a $6.95 doc fee when you're financing a car because they're not looking at that number. But a lot of these places, they charge like $700 for a doc fee, man. It's crazy. But my doc fee is $50. Not gonna let this video drag on too much longer. I'm gonna be doing a dealer's license video for which state. So let me know if you guys didn't watch the video all the way through. Let me know what state you guys tomorrow that you want me to do the dealer's license video on, and I'll get that taken care of for you tomorrow. So we'll get that taken care of for you tomorrow. So let me know, because it's already snowing. It's supposed to snow again today. So it'll be snowing tomorrow, so I'll probably be stuck in the house because my kids won't have school. So that'd be perfect to do a dealer license video. So let me know what state you guys want me to do the dealer license video in, and I'll get that taken care of while I'm in the house, and I'll have that video drop for you guys tomorrow. And I'll just show you when I'm at the auction, either Wednesday, I'll just show you basically the process of what you do just to check a car in. It's really simple. I can show it to you Wednesday when I'm at the auction. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know, over 50% of you guys that watch is not subscribed, so you know, just subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.